So everything's ready. Well, not everything. I already sent all the white vinyl to get cut. I have it right here on my side. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it into smaller sections, which is separating the logo from the other schedule, the one that goes on the door that needs to be done either today or tomorrow, right? So this one, yeah, I don't think we're gonna be using the guillotine. I think that it's a scissors game. So this side here is the actual schedule, and we'll need to clean this up. So let's grab our little rag. So it's not like the whole piece is going to be used, but I don't want the pieces that are actually going to be used to have any of that dirt or whatever that was. I think that was whatever glue was left over from the tape, because this is like the beginning of the roll. Right? This was the first cut that was done today on that roll. So next, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a weeding tool. Haha, a weeding tool. And I have one right around here that I was using for something else. We'll put this one away. I'm gonna grab this little guy right here. And I usually like to pull out all the small details first, but I'm actually just gonna go ahead and start weeding these out. So first things first, right? Said we get our little weeding tool, and we're just gonna grab a corner here where it's not touching the design, and we're gonna stab the weeding tool through the vinyl, and boom, the vinyl's picked up, and we begin. I like to just roll it off. I mean, when it comes to these big pieces, you want to pick it up, because if it gets stuck, you're gonna be printing all over again. So see how this would be the blank area, which is what I'm pulling up. So everything that's connected to the blank area is automatically coming right up for me. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Look at that. I love doing the distance print. So hopefully you can see it better now. See, now we put it there, and you got your R, your ampersand, and your C, right? So the R, we're just gonna empty out this spot here that should be hollow. There we go. And into the wastebasket. I did not make that. That was terrible. All right, so we have our R and C with all of our slots ready where the rest of our words are gonna go. So before we add transfer tape to this bad boy, I'm just gonna set it aside, right? And we're gonna move on to the little more intricate piece, which is this one here. And I think that I can just do the same thing from this corner. Whoops. And see, I grabbed some paper. I went too deep, so let's try again. There we go. So now that the biggest part of this is gone, it's time to just finish weeding all the small parts. Now you can continue using your weeding tool. You can use one of those tools that they sell, like the Michaels and stuff, you know, the hooks. I have a couple of those too. I'm just not a fan of them. I've had it where I've pulled the handle off the hook, which just really sucks. Welcome back, everyone. Yesterday I kind of just passed out. I'm just gonna continue and just finish this one out. I have the cutter, you can hear in the background, cutting the black sections of what's gonna be this decal. And right now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply transfer tape to the schedule part, and then we'll apply transfer tape over to the logo section. And we should have this ready to go, and then we can probably head on out and go and install this. Just make sure we have every tool that we need for the installation in the vehicle. So let me just get to it. Okay. I don't know what happened. We got beauty. Tonight, we got our square. Word salon. Our RNC. And our hours of operation. Right, which is our schedule, social media, handle at the bottom, phone numbers, and of course the word hours. So it's time to make sure we got all the tools prepped in the car, and we can go install this. Most of my tools, little microfiber rag, measuring tape, small level, got some masking tape. Then there's one of these is, I think this is just alcohol and water to clear. And then this is our installation solution, which is alcohol, water, and a few drops of detergent. Right. We have our project sitting in the back seat. I think I'm missing, I think I have another scrape tool to clean that glass with, or another blade at least. But yeah, I think I'm just missing another scrape tool. Other than that, I think we're set. We're ready to go install this. It is hot as all get out. I am gonna grab a mini ladder just in case. Salón. RNC, el beauty, el cuadrito que tiene, el logo completo del salón. Aquí. Más arriba. Ahí. Aquí solo va el salón y abajo tu schedule. Y más abajo.